Hi ladies. So this is my journal. And I just wanted to show you a pocket that I have in here. Um, I thought I'd show you how we make these pockets, and it will probably be a short video because they're very easy to make. So you just need 3 book pages, and the only other tool you'll need is your sewing machine or glue. Because we're going to be ripping some paper. Okay, I'll put you on the tripod and I'll show you how to make these pockets. Okay, so I grabbed 3 pages from an old book, a Reader's Digest book, and what I did was cut them down a little bit smaller. Just pretty much I cut them down to the size of I cut all the white space off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay these out like this. 1, 2, 3. This will be the back page. We're not going to do anything with that. So the first page, what we're going to do is we're going to rip that almost in half. We'll see if we need it a little shorter after I rip this one. You can save that for a different project. And this one here, you're going to rip that like this. So they're going to look like that. Okay. So then we're going to do some inking. Let me put my sheet down here. So the only spots we're going, well, on this first one, we're going to ink all the way around. But let me look and see if that's how tall I want the pocket to be. No, I want it to be a little bit shorter. So I'm going to take a little bit more off there. And I really liked the ripped look. So, yeah, I like that. Okay. Alright, so we're going to ink all the way around this first one. So we'll ink that up. Okay. And then on this one, we're going to ink this side. And then about halfway down here. Because this will be covering it. So you can always lay that over top to see how far down you want to go. I'll just do that, I don't know, because it's a waste of time to ink it all when it's not going to be showing. And then I'll lay this on top of here just to see where I need to ink. And I'll ink that up like that. There. So now what I'm going to do, you guys can either glue it together or sew it, but I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. It's kind of dark over there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I'll bring you over anyway, and we'll see if you can see. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, here's my sewing machine. I'm going to put this in and sew around. know if you guys saw any of that or if I was in the way. So I guess I'll have to watch the replay and see if you guys saw any of that part or not. But I do have an editing thing, an editing program, but I don't really know how to use it that well. So I might just have to leave it in just so I don't have to film it all over. So we have something that looks like this. And so we have, and another thing I wanted to say was, if you don't feel like those are sturdy enough, you can always glue two pages together, so that way you'll have a stronger pocket, you know, if you're afraid that it might rip. And there's the back. And so when I glue that onto a page, well, the way I did it in my journal was, when I glued it onto the page, I just glued these three sides and left it open here for another pocket. So there you go, ladies. I don't know, do we want to decorate this or not? Let me open this back up because I like to put that down to keep my other mat kind of clean, but sometimes that doesn't always work. Okay, I guess we have enough time to decorate that. So, I'm not sure what I want to put on there. I have some of this fabric ruffle that I sewed together. It's I think it's more pleated than ruffled, but anyways, we got that. I was thinking somewhere along the lines of that, or I have this piece that I cut out from a piece of wallpaper border. Ooh, that looks cute there. Am I in frame? Yep. I'm just gonna cut this right straight. Hey, that goes perfectly there. Must have been fate. Must be fate. Okay, glue stick. We'll try a glue stick and see if that'll, well, I think I might want to use my Aleene's because where that's kind of a thicker wallpaper, we might need something a little bit stronger to hold that down. We'll use both. How about that? There. Okay. So we'll put that right there. I like that. Just want to make sure that that's not going to stick there. Okay, let's see. That might look cute there in the corner, that little piece we cut off. We'll glue that on. Like that. Let's see, what else do we have? What else can we put on there? I kind of like that. Oh, that kind of looks nice there too, but it covers up my flower. It could hang out a little bit there. I think that's what we'll do. We'll round the corners though. I get my tool. We'll round those corners. It's been kind of a lazy Sunday. I say that, but this would be my second video today. But still, it still feels like a lazy Sunday. I usually go to church on Sundays, but I haven't gone for quite a while. It's been almost a month, I think, since I've gone to church. I want a little piece of that in there too. Let's see. Where can we put that? Would that look right there? I don't know. I'm still debating on that. I don't know. Let's just go for it. Let's not overthink it. Whereabouts do I want that? Right about there. So I'll just guesstimate where to put the glue. Right about there looks good. And I'll just put this here just to make sure that it's not gluing our pocket shut. Okay, I got some of this lace here that I thought would look good, dangling from the bottom of our pocket. So I'm just going to glue that on. So we'll use our Fabri-Tac for that. Just put a bead of it along the thread line there. Okay. Right about there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We'll let that dry. Put you guys on pause and I'll be right back. So I've been liking using numbers. I really like the look that gives. So we're going to put a number on there, just a random number. And we'll put that right there. Number 5. And then we need something up here too. I'm not quite sure what though. Hold on, guys. Let me find what I'm looking for. There, I found some bling. Some blingy bling. Oh, we might use the pink. But is that the kind of pink we want? Well, what about this? That might look good. I think we'll go for this though. Let's see. 3 is always a good number. That's what it looks like. so far. It's still, I don't know, it still needs something. I don't know what though. Maybe if I put a couple going this way. Let's try. Let's try. That looks a little better. I like that. Oops. So, I'm thinking I'm going to call that good. Alright. So, that wasn't, I don't know where I'm at because I can't see my screen. 16 minutes, I think. Okay, thanks guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.